Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the simplification of Boolean function using Karnaugh map K map with the don't care condition. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Find the reduced SOP form of the following function. So function given as SOP form, sum of product form. The given function is f of a, b, c, d equal to sum of min term 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. Right? There are 5 terms are available. This is called a min terms. And also having the 3 don't care conditions 0, 2, 4. There are 3 don't care condition also available. So there are 4 variables. So we need to construct the 4 variable K map A, B, C, D. Then the min terms are available as 5 min terms are available and 3 don't care conditions are available. Now we'll construct the 4 variable K map. We'll see that A, B, C, D, C, D. The 4 variables are A, B, C, D. Right. The A, B is represented in a vertical manner. C, D is represented in a horizontal manner. So the A, B having 2 variables, so we have 4 combinations are available. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So there is an interchange between third and fourth row, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 available in fourth row, 1, 1 available in the third row. So there is an interchange between third and fourth row. 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. 0 represents the complement. So that 0, both are 0. So we have A bar, B bar. 0, 1, A bar, B. So A is 0, B is 1. So that A bar, B. Here 1, 1, both are 1, 1, so that A, B. Then 1, 0, A is 1, B is 0, so that A, B bar. Similarly, CD. CD having 2 variables, so we have 4 combinations are available. 2 to the power 2, 4 combinations. Similar, same as this AB. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This 1, 0 available in the 4th column. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 available in the 3rd column. There is an interchange between 3rd and 4th column. Right. The 0, 0 means it is C bar, D bar. 0, 1. The C is 0, so that C bar, D is 1, so that D. Then 1, 1 means CD. 1, 0 means C, D bar. Right. So this we have 4 variable A, B, C, D. So the first cell is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 0. The second cell is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 1. Like that we can map the K map. And other thing is, other alternate way is the min terms are given. This red color number indicates the min terms. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, this is M0, this is M1, this is M2, M3. So here also there is an interchange between 3rd and 4th column. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the 15, there are totally 16 min terms are given, that is indicated by the red color number. Right. So here also there is an interchange between 3rd and 4th row. So in this problem the min terms are given directly. So we can mark the min term directly in the K map. Right. In some problem the expression will be given A bar, B bar, C bar, like that. But here directly min terms are given. So we will mark the min terms. 1. So this is 1. This 1 is there, so we will mark it as 1. Then 3. This 3 also marked as 1. Then 7. Then 11 and 15. So there are 5 min terms. 1, 3, 7, 11 and 15. These are marked as 1. Right. There are 3 don't care conditions are available. That is 0, 2 and 4. So that is marked as X. Right. X means it may be 0 or 1. Don't care condition, it is marked as X. Right. So there are 5 variables available, 5 terms available, and the 3 don't care conditions are available. Now we need to go for the simplification. We need to go for grouping of ones. In order to get the simplified expression, we need to group the ones. Right. So first we need to verify that if there is any possibility of 8 cell grouping. So here 8 cell grouping is not possible. Then we'll think about 4 cell grouping. Any 4 cell grouping is available. We can group these 4 cells. Similarly, these 4 cells. Right. So while grouping we are taking into account of this don't care condition. So the don't care condition, while grouping, if required, we can take it, right? And at the same time, if you are not able to group it, it's not a matter. It is not necessary to group all the don't care condition. If we need, we can take this don't care condition for the grouping. Otherwise, we can leave it, right? So while grouping these two, we can group with these don't care condition, so that we'll get the four variable grouping. While going four variable grouping, the terms will be reduced, right? So don't care condition, if we needed, we can take it for the grouping. At the same time, it is not grouped at the final limits, it's not a problem. It is not necessary to group all the don't care condition. If it is required, we can take it, right? So these two don't care condition we are taking into account while grouping these two ones, so that we are getting the four variable grouping, right? So now we have two groups are available. One is these four ones, and another one is these two ones and these two x, right? Now we need to find the what is the expression for this grouping of these four ones, right? So while grouping these four ones, we have to refer the corresponding rows, first row, second row, third row, and fourth row, right? All the rows, these ones are available. So in the first row, what we have? A bar, B bar. Here A, B is available, third row. So A bar cancelled by A, B bar cancelled by B. Similarly, in the second row, A bar, B is there. Fourth row, A, B bar is there. So A bar, A cancelled, B, B bar got cancelled. So all the terms are got cancelled. Only we need to refer this third column, right? So these ones are available in the third column. We have to refer this. What is available? CD, right? So while grouping these four ones, what we got? CD. So that is given here. This is the grouping of these four ones. The final value what we got? CD, right? So while grouping four, we have to refer corresponding rows and corresponding column, so that we'll got the value CD. Now we need to refer this for this second grouping, right? The second grouping available in the first row, as well as the column is first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. So we have to refer all these four columns and first row, right? So corresponding row and corresponding column we have to refer. While referring the column, the first column C bar, D bar is there. Third column C, D is there. So C bar cancelled by C, D bar cancelled by D. Similarly, in the second column we have C bar D. Fourth column C, D bar. So the C bar is cancelled by C, D is cancelled by D bar. So that all the terms are got cancelled. Only we have this first row, A bar, B bar. So that is given here. So this is the reduced expression due to the grouping of these four cells, right? Now we got the final expression, A bar, B bar plus CD. See, this don't care condition is not grouped. I already told it is not necessary to group all don't care condition. If we needed, we can take it into account. Otherwise, we can leave it. So we are no need to bother about this don't care condition. We are not taken into account. These two don't care condition, while grouping these two, we are taking into account, so that we are getting grouping of four cells, right? So in this problem, we discuss about the minimization of the Boolean function in SOP form with the don't care condition. So we got the final value A bar, B bar plus CD. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.